The GPX glove is a short profile, high performance racing glove. It features Alpinestars race-proven thermoplastic polyurethane knuckle protection system. This system absorbs and dissipates impact and has a unique air intake system at the top of the knuckles. The outer wrist has an extended thermoplastic polyurethane cuff, while the rest of the glove gauntlet remains short in profile. The external padding on thumb, fingertops, and sidewalls are reinforced. Specific areas of this glove are perforated: the fingers, gussets between the fingers, back of the knuckles, and the palm. This glove has an accordion-style stretch insert panel over thumb and on fingers for excellent flex and feel. The palm uses a reinforced synthetic suede for improved grip. Size range: small to 3XL.